Ulikamva gets into a car accident with Zethu, which was caused by Lwandle, who was drunk and driving, after he had apologized and made up with Zethu and sent a voice note to his parents wanting to sit down with them and hash things out for his behavior, calling them out and saying nasty things to Utumeka. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Ulikamva let his heart out, telling his parents exactly what he thinks about them. Even umama wakhe kaloku, because Utumeka is the one that is against Ulikamva marrying Zethu, saying that Zethu is not fit to be Likamva's wife because she's a street untombazana selokishini. Ulikamva will get someone else, mesesebenze and all that. And then Ulikamva had all these things and Zethu had them, and then he felt it was so unfair of Utumeka to judge umuntu wakhe, because Utumeka naye has done a lot of bad things. She even went and hit umuntu Uhlathi for going back to his wife while yena engatshadile naye. He went on and on. Even told Uhlathi that the minute when he fought for Bavumile, it was not for that. He was doing that. It was not for his son, but because he wants Uzoleka. And that Utumeka, he settled for Utumeka. He will never love their mother just because he cannot have Uzoleka. He's jealous of Lazarus. Now Utumeka, and then Ulikamva ended up leaving home, but share nemoto ke Uhlathi leave the car that I bought for you. Now Utumeka is worried about him because he didn't come home, and he took her car. He didn't come home. His phone is off. She can't even call Uqhawe because Qhawe is also mad at her for saying all those nasty things about Zethu. And then now they're going on about no uzobuya, uzoba right. We had Delela and Junsikos is like Ulikamva needs to come back and apologize because we had Delela. But to make I feel sad because Ulikamva, her own son was able to say all those hateful things to her. Ngapha Uhlathi ke uNethulani, they talk about everything that transpired ngoLikamva. And Thulani says ukuthi vele ngempela Bavumile is the son that you've been looking for, noZoleka. And Uhlathi called him to order, saying, "Yazini, you can't keep on ungivusela manxeba. Uzoleka is not with me and she will never be with me. And umntana ke Bavumile is the son that I can never raise. So nje, let me focus on my family noTumeka man and raise the kids that I have with me. I want to surely talk to Likamva when he comes back so we can sit down man and fix things, because I don't like us fighting like this." Thulani uvumelana naye, so that's a good idea. Bahlale ke bathethe so that they can sit and talk and hash things out. And then Zoleka and Lazarus go to the office. Onga has found the culprit behind the whole leakage here, my files at Quantum. It happens to be Lwandle. Apparently they use my credentials by Lwandle. So they're all shocked. How can Lwandle do this? But then they realize he's been working with Ulilieni, because this link shows what it was done from Dubai. So they realize it means Ulilieni is working with Sid. Then Lwandle confronts his father, saying, suspecting that he's the one that's behind this whole leak. But Babak is like, no, it's not me. It must be Lilian. Linda betrayed him and went behind his back and started working with Lilian, while she should have just stuck with Sid. Now they phone Lwandle to come and confront him. And they show him, this shows you are the one that did the link, that logged in and got access to the files and linked them out. Lwandle is shocked, saying, I did not do this. You have to believe me, I did not do this. The person that did this, Linda. But Lazarus is like, it's difficult to trust you because this has happened before. You have done this before for your father. And even though he said Linda is working for Ulilieni, send these things to Ulilieni, but they still feel Lazarus are like, because this is your second warning, if you find you guilty, you are suspended with immediate effect. Now Lwandle is drowning his sorrows in alcohol. He akasancilanga ucile akakhonduto. He goes to Mawethu to tell him he's been suspended and that it's not his fault, it's Linda's fault. But Mawethu does not believe him because he has done this before for his father. So now how can they believe him? Now Guy Waselo, cousin Mawethu, says that this guy even refused to pay for his bills, so he must just sleep it off because he's too drunk to drive. Likamva goes to a pallet to talk to Zethu, apologized to Zethu and told her, Zethu, I'm abandoning my whole family for you. I choose you. I want us to work. Zethu was like, no, I won't let you do that. I want you to get along with your family. But she's impressed because Likamva is able to do all this for her. And they make up. And now Likamva wanted to go home and apologize. But Uzet was like, how about we go to a hotel? Then uzotumaso upholile tomorrow, you can go and apologize. Then Nikava sends a voice note to Umawake saying, please listen to this with Tata. I'm not proud of all the things that I said. I should want to sit down with you guys and apologize. And then tells them that he loves them. Now they're in the car, Uzet busy singing, kumnandi. And then I think they are going to the hotel kalok. So now Umawethu phones Ulandle, bra, where are you? Because we said you must sleep this thing off because please park somewhere and get an Uber. Ulandle's busy on the phone. Ulandle nange crasher to Likamva and Zethu hit them. It was just a big car crash. Zethu was just screaming Kamva because Ukamva was going for a kiss because Zethu did not see the car coming. Kanti Ulwandle naye he's drunk, missed a stop sign or a traffic light and hit them. Now it's a car crash and we don't know if Ulwandle or we don't know if Uligamva is going to make it because it appears like Uligamva is the only one that's hurt and Ulwandle flees the scene. Uzethu is there just crying. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.